Hi Peter, Bill Parrish here from GTT Audio at Rocky Mountain 2017. Welcome to our room.
Hi Bill, how are you?
Excellent.
I see a pair of Audionet Maxes right in front of us.
Exactly. I know you know these well. We're showing as the distributor of Audionet and Kronos this year. We've partnered up with Schweikert Audio, who also distributes master-built cables. And the equipment that we're using, as you said, the Audionet Max amplifiers, which have been highly reviewed. We're using these awesome Von Schweikert VR55s. They've just been incredible.
Yeah, we had a session just before we started filming, and the orchestra, it was like it was at the concert hall. It was spectacular.
Exactly.
Yeah, great detail capture.
We've got a full loom of the master-built Ultra cables. And in the front end, let me take you over here.
Yeah, thanks. I'll follow you over.
The hub of the system is the Audionet Pre-G2 line stage. And we're using the PAM G2 phono stage along with the optional EPX power supply. We've pretty much been analog only in here as usual. When you have the Kronos Pro, what else is there?
Yeah.
We have the Kronos Pro turntable with the Black Beauty arm using the Zix 4D cartridge. And we have the optional SC-PS1 power supply.
Good, and there's two rooms here at the show. Could you take us into
There
the
is,
next room,
yes.
please?
Let me take you into the other room. We've been able to get a nice suite here and take advantage of an adjoining room. And in this room, we've got the Von Schweikert E3 Mark IIs, and we've got the Audionet Plonk top-loading CD player. I know you've seen it a couple of times in the videos already, but it is new for 2017. And we've displayed it at a show, but it's never had center stage at a show, is the Audionet Watt integrated amp, which is also new for 2017. And again, in this room, we're using the master-built cables, signature line, connecting everything up in here. This is a very simple, small system that's produced an enormous soundstage.
Yeah, we heard the system day before yesterday. It was sounding very good on the first day of the show, so we can't wait to hear it today.
I know. And then, from what I understand, one of your reviewers has got the speakers under review currently and has asked for a Watt integrated to play with them. So, yeah, it's a winning combination.
Well, anything you combine Audionet with, it just brings out the best in any loudspeaker.
I agree.
Yep. Well, great. Well, thank you very much for the walkthrough. Can we just do some listening to a little bit of music next?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, here we go. fantastic listening session. This is a fast and articulate system with a lot of organic soul to it. We heard the tabla you could hear the fingers on the tableau.
You sure could.
You could. And when that horn came in, it was so open and real as if you were there.
I thought so too. I mean, Audionet for 2017 really released a incredible combo here. And playing with these speakers, this system has just had overwhelming success here at the show.
Good, well, let's go on to the big room and listen to the big
let's
system.
do that. Now let's hear the big stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Peter, for joining us here at our exhibit at Rocky Mountain 2017.
Thank you, Bill. The sound was to die for. The speed and quickness of this system brought out the detail in the bass clarinet, and it really echoed throughout the whole end of the exhibit room we have here today. It was it was captivating. It was a great demonstration. Fantastic sound.
Well, thank you. Really appreciate it.